Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you ESPN Fantasy Football how to drop a player. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To drop a player in ESPN Fantasy Football, what you need to do first is head over and open up your ESPN Fantasy app. Then once you're inside there, be sure to be logged into your account by simply tapping on the login option on the bottom, then entering your credentials. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is select your fantasy football league. Then once done, tap on my team option. Now scroll to the player you want to drop and then simply tap the player's name and you'll find an option that says drop. Simply tap on that and then select who you are dropping and confirm. If you are picking up a new player, ESPN might automatically ask who you want to drop out during that process. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.